U projektu sudjeluju i naši kolege iz partnerskih ustanova iz Španjolske, Portugala, Belgije i Turske. Na samom početku predavanja javit će nam se naši kolege iz španjolskog CAFI-a, oni su koordinatori projekta te će nam ispričati općenite informacije o projektu, a nakon toga će nam se pridružiti moji kolege iz Srca, Marija Šimunić i Zvonko Martinović, koji će nam ispričati malo detaljnije o procesu odabira, testiranja i implementacije AI dodataka za digitalnu dobrobit koji su integrirani u Moodle sustav koji je razvijen, odnosno uspostavljen u sklopu samog projekta. Pa evo da ne duljim, I would like to greet my colleagues from CAFI. So welcome to Moodle Mood Croatia. I hope you're ready. Can you hear me?
Thank you.
Yeah? Okay.
Yes.
So we are very eager to hear more about the STAIRS project. So we give the floor over to you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Tania Rodriguez from CAFI. First of all, on behalf of our consortium, I want to thank you for this opportunity to present the STAIRS project to this community. STAIRS, which stands for Strengthening Teacher Training with AI through Remote Learning Spaces, is a cooperation partnership in school education, co-funded by the European Union, and it started in September 2025 and will conclude in August 2028. As you can see, the core objectives of STAIRS are structured around developing AI competencies for educators, redesigning online courses, and optimizing the overall digital learning experience. Additionally, the project aims to foster long-term cooperation networks and build an equitable educational ecosystem prepared for future technological challenges. The STAIRS project brings together 6 highly specialized European institutions, each contributing a strategic set of expertise. We at CAFI are an institution dedicated to the continuous training of educators in the region of Galicia, Spain. Our daily work involves managing Moodle-based teacher training environments, and our role here is to facilitate general project management. And from a technical standpoint, and given the context of this Moodle Mood, Srce brings invaluable expertise to the table. As expected, they are leading the technical customization and the integration of AI plugins. To ensure academic foundation, the Universitat Ramon Llull in Barcelona, Spain, through the Blanquerna faculty and its ICT research group, brings its expertise background in pedagogy and digital inclusion to lead the design of our training pathways and AI educational resources. At the institutional level, European Schoolnet in Brussels is going to coordinate the international piloting of training programs, bridging the gap between classroom practice and European policy. Moving into practical implementation, the training center of the Association of Schools of the Councils of Alcobaça and Nazaré in Portugal coordinates professional development for teachers and will support the integration of these Moodle and AI tools directly into real training contexts. And finally, Othel Arnavildin Ortaokulu in Turkey, a pioneering institution in innovative school education and STEM, will be able to test these AI tools in live classroom environments while leading the dissemination and communication strategy of this project. The implementation of the project is organized in 5 specialized work packages. The work package 1 covers project management, led by CAFI. The work package 2 focuses on the development of the digital platform with AI, led by Srce. The work package 3 involves the design of training paths and educational resources, led by Universitat Ramon Llull. Work Package 4 handles training pilot testing led by European Schoolnet, and Work Package 5 manages dissemination and communication led by Anabilink. It's important to know that our partner, Alcoba's Anacere Training Center from Portugal, actively collaborates and as a support entity across all the 5 work packages. Through the integration of these packages, STAIRS will deliver several tangible outputs. These include an AI-enhanced teacher training platform, specialized educational resources and guides, and targeted training workshops. We will conduct also pilot tests in 4 countries and establish 2 active communities of practice to sustain the project's impact beyond its official life cycle. And for more information and to track our milestones, you may visit our website. And we invite you to subscribe to our newsletter. And if you are interested in sharing and discussing in artificial intelligence from both technical and educational perspectives, you can join our communities of practice that I hosted in European Schoolnet platform. We can share this through the chat. And you can follow us as well on the project's various social media channels. And now to present the results of Work Package 2, I give the floor to Zvonko Martinovic and Marija Simunic from Srce team. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I will briefly introduce what's our aim of how the selection process and how we selected these plugins for the project. So I will walk you through this selection process. Our main purpose of this study was to select and implement Moodle plugins that will support the development of this STAIRS project. Here are some questions that we actually kind of reviewed and went through what we actually need from these plugins. So the aim and the purpose of this project is to personalize learning, monitor students' activity, so we can pinpoint what are the learning needs of these students and how we can maybe enhance the course materials and learning needs of the students, and how we can help at the end teachers in that all. And we also wanted to support digital well-being of the students when using this digital platform. So before the selection, we have developed the LMS Moodle platform. It's a fully functional Moodle based environment, and we have tested these plugins in this platform. So our selection process started with we analyzed what our needs, and we kind of reviewed what plugins we can use, and each partner contributed to this review of the plugins and gave feedback which plugin is good to use. And so we kind of made a short list for the testing. So these are the selected plugins that we used for future testing. The first category is digital well-being, and the second is AI plugins. So after we selected that, we installed these plugins in the Moodle platform and tested to see what do we actually need. So each partner proceeded their own testing on the platform and reported their experience, their concerns, if they have any negative experience or anything that is not aligned with the project purpose. So after that, we collected the report, and each partner said if they want to proceed with the plugin or not. And from the category AI plugins, we selected Smart Edu, intelligent learning, and others were not selected because of the cost concerns or durability, because we saw that maybe these plugins will be not durable after the project. So first two, ranking and assign, were not selected because of the cost issues, and durability, OpenAI, because it didn't give sufficient answers, and Raisin, because its features are already present in other plugins. So we didn't proceed with that. But Smart Edu was the best one because it enhanced learning materials, and we saw the potential of using this plugin in the platform. So this is the report of the digital well-being plugins. From the initial short list, the selected plugins, we selected the free one, the point of view, good habits, activity, and stash, and other three were not selected because it already has a built-in, they're already built in Moodle, or we just didn't see the alignment with the project. So a little about plugins. So the first one is Smart Edu. It automatically generates summaries, mind maps, quizzes, and using AI. So it's great because it can enhance and help students to learn better, and teachers can, and with teachers it can help with the materials. It can be like maybe motivate students to go through the materials and learn more and better. So the second one is also AI-based. It's chatbot. It's a custom-made chatbot, and it gives responses according to the page, the user is on, the user role, language preference. It's really a great chatbot, as we have already talked about that. And our digital well-being plugins, the first one is Point of View. It's a plugin that you can, it allows customizable reactions. So students can react to the activity and they can see the difficulty levels. So when they see the activity, okay, it's red, okay, this is hard, this will be hard, and I need to prepare for this activity and then start with it. So it's a great digital well-being plugin. The second one is Good Habits Activity. This is a plugin for tracking habits. Teachers can set habits for all students, or students can make their own habits. I think this is great because teachers can see some kind of overview of their experience with the activity, maybe see what they struggle with, how they can improve something. I think it's a great digital well-being plugin. And the last one is a plugin that kind of brings gamified elements in the course. Teachers can set items along the whole course, and it encourages students to interact with the materials, encourages motivation to go through all the course and see what's in there. So another great one. And that's all for me. We have reviewed all the plugins.
Okay, maybe I can add just a couple of extra information. So for the part of this project, we are using our own custom chatbot that I presented on my previous presentation. The only difference is here that we will use our own LLM infrastructure in this project. So we do have LLM running on our infrastructure. It's GPT OSS 120 billion parameters model that is OpenAI's open source model, so anyone can use it if you have the right inference infrastructure on your servers. That's quite nice module, LLM model, because it packs quite heavy features. It's basically ChatGPT for mini model that you can run on your own servers. And this project that doesn't bring as many concurrent users that we should be concerned about the performance on our own infrastructure. So it brings us the two opportunities. First, to test our chatbot in duration of the project, but also to test inference infrastructure that we are building in Srce, and maybe see how will that go in future events and how it will develop. So to have everything in our own infrastructure, because we are also infrastructure IT company in higher education in Croatia. Any questions?
Thanks to our colleagues at CAFI and Srce for this interesting lecture. And these were the results of the first part of the project, so the first results. And please follow us more on the social medias and also on the web page, so that you can see the following results of the project. So many thanks and greetings from Zagreb.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.